Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, and I'm so grateful to have you here today. As always, I want to create a space where we can dive deep into introspective topics that inspire and motivate us to live our best lives. So let's get started. Today, I want to talk about something that has become an integral part of our lives, our digital life. We live in a world where screens are constantly vying for our attention, and it's easy to get caught up in the digital clutter that surrounds us. But what if I told you that by detoxifying your digital life, you can create more space for growth and fulfillment? Managing screen time is the first step towards this detoxification process. We all know how addictive our devices can be, and it's important to set boundaries. Take a moment to reflect on how much time you spend mindlessly scrolling through social media or binge-watching TV shows. Imagine what you could accomplish if you redirected even a fraction of that time towards activities that truly nourish your soul. Digital clutter is another aspect that needs our attention. Our inboxes are overflowing with unread emails, our desktops are cluttered with files, and our social media feeds are filled with accounts that no longer serve us. It's time to declutter and create a digital space that reflects who we are and what we aspire to be. By detoxifying your digital life, you're not only creating more time and space for yourself, but you're also taking control of your mental and emotional well-being. Imagine waking up in the morning and not immediately reaching for your phone. Instead, you start your day with a peaceful meditation or a nourishing breakfast. Imagine the clarity and focus you'll have throughout the day when you're not constantly bombarded by notifications and distractions. I know it's not easy to break free from the digital world, but I believe in you. Start small. Set aside dedicated screen-free time each day, unsubscribe from unnecessary newsletters, and unfollow accounts that no longer align with your values. Surround yourself with content that uplifts and inspires you. As we embark on this journey of spring cleaning our lives, let's not forget about our digital spaces. Detoxifying your digital life is a powerful way to reclaim your time, energy, and focus. So, I challenge you to take the first step today. Let's create a life that is intentional, purposeful, and filled with joy. If you found this topic resonated with you, I would be so grateful if you could hit that like button and subscribe to Soulful Summit. By doing so, you'll be joining a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to personal growth and living their best lives. Together, we can support and inspire each other on this beautiful journey. Thank you for being here today, and remember, you have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. Keep shining, my friends.